I'm doing a battery replacement on a Kia key-operated key fob. Fairly simple. The knife is so we can pick the battery out because it's tiny, trying to get your finger in there. Phillips screwdriver, a small one to unscrew the cap on it. And then just a little flat screwdriver or something that you can use to get in there with. It has little latches here, here, and here. And what you're going to need to do is just get underneath there. Well, I'm sorry, I had it upside down. Those latches are here. You could actually kind of see them. It's right here. But since they're underneath, you just need to get under there and give it a wiggle. You see how it parted? Same thing over here. Once she starts to come up, she'll release. So those are released. You've got this curve here that wants to hold on. So what I do is just come over there, boom, it popped. There you go. You have the 4 screws. Take them out. Don't take it into the dealer or somewhere where they're going to charge you to do this. As you can see, this is only going to take a few minutes. There we go. The battery. All you have to do is get into it next to it. You're going to pry up a little bit. Once you find your sweet spot, which should be right here, there it goes. That's all there is to it. And I'll just be reloading this battery. It's a good one still. It's just to show you how to do it. You pop them back in. I'll have in the description some batteries you can order. I like to use Duracell or Energizer, something, a good quality battery. I've used the cheap ones and they don't last very long. This battery that's in it, the OEM, I haven't been able to find them. So just make sure you use a quality battery. Otherwise, you'll be doing this quite often. Put your 4 screws in, and they are tiny. And then, once you're done with this, you snap your lid on, and you are done. I would snap it on the same direction you took it off. The latches will go on last. There's that. That side I always put first. The side with the latches, boom, done. That's for your Kia. They're slightly different. This is a 23 model, 21 down to 2018. They're slightly different, same concept. They have actual pockets you put your tool into. There you go.